In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off noise cancellation on your AirPods 4. Now, before we start, just make sure that you have the version of the AirPods 4 which support active noise cancellation or ANC, because there is a variant of the AirPods 4 which does not support ANC. Now, after you do that, now just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you've done that, now just go to Settings. And from here, just tap on the name of your AirPods. Over here under listening modes, you will find the option of noise cancellation. Now to turn on noise cancellation, just select noise cancellation from here. But to enable noise cancellation, just make sure you wear both of your AirPods in your ears. Now after you've done that, from here you will be able to enable noise cancellation from the settings, just like that. Now to turn off noise cancellation, just select off. Now if you want to turn on and turn off the noise cancellation through the touch sensor on your AirPods, just tap and hold on the touch sensor until you hear this sound. Now after you do that, you will enable noise cancellation. And with the same way, if you want to turn off noise cancellation, just tap and hold on this touch sensor. And by doing this, you will hear this sound and you will turn off noise cancellation, just like that. And this is how you can turn on and turn off noise cancellation on your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.